Let's fix these tricky misprints.
Hi, I'm Shakia Harris. I'm an artist and I own an Epson Surecolor 2170.
I've had my printer for 2 years and I really like it, but if you don't have the right paper settings or if you load something that's too thick, then you can run into this issue.
And so here's just some things that have helped me out whenever I have a ton of those strike marks or if my prints ever come out super saturated or too bright. The first thing is just whenever you send a print job, make sure you're nearby. That way you can kind of see and verify that it's printing the way it's supposed to. The last thing you want is to waste a ton of canvas or ink because you let a job completely print out and then you realize, oh crap, it looks a mess. The next thing I'll say is the moment that you notice that the printer is sounding weird or that the print is not its normal quality, immediately hit the cancel button so that it will abort the job. But this is what the 18-inch by 24-inch blue lemon print looks like. And this is on polyester canvas. So I left it at standard and it's doing that thing where it feeds it really fast, so that's not good. I have another video that goes in depth in terms of like what my exact printer settings are, and I would definitely recommend you check that out. And then of course, if you need something much more detailed that explains how to do your art prints, and not only just how to do your art prints, but how to sell them, how to set up your booth, to have the marketing hit, to get people to come in and actually look at them, how to ship them, how to do market research, how to decide pricing, how to edit the photos, then check out my DIY art prints class. You can go to shakiaharrisart.com, or you can click on the link that's in the description or in the pinned comment. But if the first thing that you're noticing are those long lines, then you want to do a print head nozzle check. And sometimes you'll have to do the print head nozzle check. The moment you notice that, just definitely switch it over to photo paper generic. You can get there through your paper settings and by going to custom. Finally, another reason why your prints may be misprinted is because whatever you're loading is too thick. I had this issue when I was trying to test out prints on watercolor paper. It's simply too thick for the Epson Surecolor 2170, and so even when I was feeding it with the rear tray, I even tried I tried to rear feed it and feed it with the tray, and I was getting those lines, and it didn't matter what I did or what setting I changed it to, that paper was just too thick. So try changing your print settings, try doing a print head nozzle check, and at the last resort, try switching your medium, and hopefully you'll have great results like I do.